Hello students, welcome back to the class. As you all know, in the previous class we have discussed till importance of northern plains. Now today let's start with the life in the region. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Assam are located in the northern plains. Punjab. The word Punjab means the land of 5 rivers. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Punjab means the land of 5 rivers and Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. It is also a union territory. The main occupation of the people here is agriculture. The main crops grown are wheat, rice, sugarcane and pulses. The occupation of the people here is agriculture and wheat, rice, sugarcane and pulses are grown here. The Golden Temple in Amritsar is an important pilgrimage center of the Sikhs. The Golden Temple is in Amritsar and it is an important pilgrimage center of the Sikhs. It is also known as Harmandir Sahib. People celebrate Gurupurabs, Baishakhi and Lohri. Bhangra and Gidda are the folk dances of Punjab. People speak Punjabi and Hindi. Here in Punjab, people speak Punjabi and Hindi. The language spoken is Punjabi and Hindi. The men wear lungi kurta and the women wear salwar kameez. Makka di roti and sarson da saag and lassi are some popular food items of Punjab. You heard about makka ki roti, sarson da saag and lassi. Amritsar is also a gateway to enter Pakistan at Wagah border. The picture is given here in your book. You can see the Wagah border. Now, let's come to Haryana. Let's discuss about the life of the people in Haryana. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Again, the capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. It lies towards the south of Punjab. Haryana lies towards the south of Punjab. The main cities of Haryana are Gurgaon, Panipat, Panchkula and Faridabad. The cities of Haryana are Gurgaon, Panipat, Panchkula and Faridabad. River Yamuna and River Ghaggar flow in Haryana. The river Yamuna and river Ghaggar flow in Haryana. Agriculture and cattle rearing are the main occupation of the people of Haryana. Cattle rearing and agriculture are the main occupation in Haryana. The main crops grown here are wheat, rice and sugarcane. In Punjab also, the wheat, rice and sugarcanes are the crops grown and here Haryana too. A large number of vehicles are manufactured in this state. Vehicles are manufactured in this state. Chief language spoken are Hindi and Haryanvi. The men wear dhoti and kurta. Women wear a skirt called daman and a shirt called kurti. They cover their head with a chunnar. This is all about Haryana. Now let's discuss about the life of the people in Delhi. As Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi was made a union territory in 1956. In 1956, Delhi was made a union territory. New Delhi is the capital of India. It is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. It is surrounded by Haryana on all sides. You have heard about Delhi that it is surrounded by Haryana. Except the east, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi has many monuments and tourist places like the Red Fort, Humayun's Tomb, India Gate, Jantar Mantar, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Sansad Bhavan, Connaught Place, National Museum, National Science Museum, Lotus Temple, Rajghat. These are the monuments and the tourist places located in Delhi. You people also visited once, and I think you should visit. You should also go and see there once. Everyone should visit because these are the famous monuments and tourist places located in Delhi. People use public transport such as Delhi Transport Corporation (DTC), buses and the metro. Delhi is called a mini India because people from different parts of the country live here. They speak different languages, eat a variety of food and celebrate all festivals. Different languages are spoken in Delhi. They eat a variety of foods are there and celebrate all festivals are celebrated in Delhi. Now let's discuss about Uttar Pradesh. Life in Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. The main cities are Varanasi, Mathura, Agra, Allahabad, Kanpur and Meerut. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. You all have heard about Taj Mahal. It is located in Agra. The main occupation of people here is agriculture. Again, the main occupation of people here is agriculture. People speak Hindi and Urdu. Kathak is a classical dance form of Uttar Pradesh. The classical dance of the Uttar Pradesh is Kathak. The language spoken here are Hindi and Urdu. Diwali, Holi, Eid and Christmas are the main festivals. These festivals are celebrated in Uttar Pradesh. You can see the image of the Kathak dance in your book. Now, let's talk about Bihar. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. The main crops grown here are rice, maize and sugarcane. These are the main crops grown in Bihar. There are many Buddhist and Jain pilgrimage centers in Bihar. Buddhist and Jain pilgrimage centers in Bihar. Important places of tourist interest are Rajgir, Nalanda, Bodh Gaya, etc. India's largest cattle fair, the Sonpur Cattle Fair, is held in Bihar every year. Every year the Sonpur Cattle Fair is held in Bihar. Nalanda and Vikramshila, the oldest universities of India, are in Bihar. These two universities are the oldest universities of India and they are in Bihar. You can see the picture of here. It's given the Nalanda University. People speak Hindi, Maithili and Urdu. These three languages are spoken in Bihar. Other languages like Bhojpuri and Maghadi are also spoken. The popular dishes are litti chokha. You heard about litti chokha. We all eat it. And kadhi bari. Chhat is the main festival. Chhat, we all celebrate Chhat. It is the main festival. Other festivals like Diwali, Eid, Tej and Dussehra are also celebrated here. Now, life of the people in Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. The climate is hot and humid. Jharkhand has rich mineral deposits and forest. Many tribes live in this state. People celebrate Chhat, Diwali, Eid, Buddh Purnima, Durga Puja, etc. These festivals are celebrated in Jharkhand. These are the famous and the main festivals celebrated in Jharkhand. And Jharkhand has rich mineral deposits and forest. West Bengal. Life of the people in West Bengal. West Bengal is in East India. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. We all know Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. The climate is hot and humid. As in Jharkhand, the climate is hot and humid, and in West Bengal too. Thunderstorms called Kal Baishakhi occur in summer. The main occupation of people here is agriculture. The main occupation in West Bengal is agriculture. People grow rice and jute. The people celebrate Durga Puja and great excitement. The people celebrate Durga Puja with great excitement. The people are quite excited to celebrate Durga Puja. Every year it comes. The main language is Bengali. Rice and fish form the staple food. Sweets like Rasgulla and Sandesh are eaten. The famous sweets of West Bengal, Ravindra Sangeet and Chahu dance of West Bengal are very popular. You can see here in the image it is given, in the book the image is given. Life of the people in Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. The main occupation of people are agriculture and bamboo handicraft. Assam is known for its rich forest wealth. Assam is known for its rich forest wealth, and occupation of people are agriculture and bamboo handicraft. Many tea plantations are found in Assam. The language spoken here are Assami, Bengali and Bodo. Rice is the staple food. Bihu, Bohang and Kongli are important dances. Bihu, Bohang and Kongli are the dances of Assam. Rice is the food, staple food, and the main language spoken here are Assamese, Bengali and Bodo. You can see here the bamboo handicraft of Assam. That's all for today. We will discuss in the next chapter, in the next class. We will start the new chapter in the next class, the Great Indian Desert. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.